guys, welcome back. Just got the exhaust done. Super excited how it sounds. You know, I was a little skeptical at first about doing anything to the 6-cylinder, but man, I am super happy with how it sounds. Ended up just doing basically straight pipe. Ended up doing 2 small resonators just to maybe cut down on some of the drone. And then, you know, my favorite part was the quad tips. I've been wanting to do those for a while, and finally excited that I got to do them. You know, they look awesome back there. Hated that single tip more than anything back there. Just something I've been putting off, but you know, finally got around to doing it, and let's just say, you know, I am one happy customer. So let's take a look at it. I got some sound clips for you guys, compare it how it was before, and you know, just stay tuned and we'll show you how it looks.